graduation?
Graduation is very nice. In Amharic?
English.
No, I can't English.
Why?
What is your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry.
What is your name?
My name is Mosana.
Hosanna. Well, your English is perfect. Sorry, I just
The beginning is 30 years. 30 years man.
Okay, so tell us about some Ethiopia cultures food.
እንግዲህ ከኢትዮጵያ ባህሎች በእንግሊዘኛ በአማርኛ ይሻላል
ነው። አይ በእንግሊዘኛ ፕሮግራሙ በእንግሊዘኛ ስለሆነ በእንግሊዘኛ ቢሆን ብዬ ነው። ትንሽ ነገር ነው።
አማርኛውን በደንብ መግለጽ የሚቻለው ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ባህል፣ ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ምንነት በደንብ ማስረዳት የሚቻለው
በእንግሊዘኛ ለትራምፕ ወይም ደግሞ ለጆ ባይደን ማለት አባይኛ መሆኑን
ሌላ ሰው እናደርገ
ትንሽ እንግሊዘኛ ሞክር። How was your campus life?
Wow. Harry, you already said. You just finished. I'm from England. Yeah. You just finished school?
Yes.
Okay.
Finishes.
You finished early today. What time? You finish at 1 o'clock?
Yes.
Oh, kids these days have it easy. I finished at 4. Anyway, what are you going to do now today?
Go in our.
You're going home?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. In school, all of your lessons are in English?
Yes.
Oh, for everyone.
All lessons.
What job do you want to do?
How
when
was
you're
your
older?
campus life?
Campus like an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job.
Yes.
What's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church.
Okay. How did you get to Addis Ababa University? It's your first time, yeah?
Yeah. Professor, what do you guys want to do?
I want to be a president.
President.
And I want to guide and control from our country.
Oh, nice.
You want to sacrifice your life for Eritrea?
Yeah.
She wants to be the dictator. You want to be what?
I want to control
Okay.
my country.
You need to arrest him.
First time 20,000 in the beginning. I can Addis Ababa.
Oh.
Because Addis Ababa. The beginning is the extension. The 2 years 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 the extension.
He's broken the law. What job would you like to do? Pilot. Oh, these are incredible jobs. Engineer. Football. Oh, I can tell. It's Messi. Engineer. Doctor. Wow. I think you will all get these jobs. You've got a great chance. This is amazing.
The extension. Next, the regular 16 is the beginning. 21,000.
So it's
21.
So it's the first time to join Addis Ababa University?
Yes.
Oh. So
The
how did you get
at
the campus?
At the beginning, at the beginning,
What's good thing in your country too?
What's good? Nothing. Nothing's good.
What?
21
Yeah.
ወይም ደግሞ 2021 ማለት ነው። the beginning is 21 2021 was
What do you know about Eritrea?
I know that you're the safest country in Africa.
Safe, yes.
Yeah? Like I
Yes.
can leave my bike and no one will steal.
Yes.
It's clean.
Clean, yes.
They're very good.
You're right. You're
Very,
correct.
very good at cycling. You like to cycle?
Yes, cycling.
Yeah?
In Eritrea, Binyam Gurmai. Do you know Binyam Gurmai?
Yeah.
Yes.
I know him.
They're so nice.
the 21 the beginning 1 year and ኔክስቱ ፈረስት ዋና አንደኛ በመውጣት ሰከንዳሪ 16
Eritrea.
Yeah, would you like it? You can have.
That's good. Very
It's
good.
for you.
And we are a handsome boy.
Oh, wow. Oh.
And both of you.
ሰከንዳሪ 16 ክላስ ከዚያ ቀጥሎ ዘኔከስ ስድስተኛ ክፍል ጀመረ። ኔክስትሊ በእንዜ ሰርቲ
For you all. I may as well just get mine as well. There you go.
That's all we have. You have to share.
Sorry, it's for all three of you. Okay.
Some like side characters that keep being unlocked on Sunday.
We've unlocked side
Here,
characters.
graduation, by graduation.
So how did you see the campus?
The campus is very nice. At the day to day exercise,
Yeah.
exercise in the church, in the classmates.
እግር 5 ኪሎ ሜትር በመኪና ስንት ሜትር ነው? በእግር 5 ኪሎ ሜትር በመኪና ስንት ኪሎ ሜትር ነው?
A few moments later.
በእግር 5 ኪሎ ሜትር ለመኪና 1 ኪሎ ሜትር ነው።
Do you have time for one question? One question? How do you feel about being here in Norway?
I'm feeling great. It's good to be here.
What do you expect from your stay?
Today or tomorrow?
What do you expect for your stay?
What do you expect from?
Yeah.
From what?
From your stay here in Norway.
Love, reconciliation, positive energy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.